Now we will study string functions. String functions are those functions that work on string values. First is char function that returns the character of each integer passed. So if you write select char any integer value, say 65, it will return a because 65 is the ASCII value of a. You can pass multiple values here, suppose 70, 71. So 65 ASCII value of a, then 70 is f, and then 71 is g. If you write decimal values, like if you write 65.8, 70.3, 71.5, now you got b, f, h. So it will round off. Okay. So if the number after decimal part is 5 or more than 5, it will add 1 to the previous digit. So this 65.8 will become 66, which is ASCII value of b. Similarly 70.3, 3 is less than 5, so it will take it 70. 70 is the ASCII value of f. Similarly 71.5, it will take it as 72, so it is ASCII value of h. Now next is concat function. So write select concat. Concat is used to join two strings. So if you write hello students, so it will join and make it one string. Similarly, the table, if you write select eid comma ename, you will see the output in two different columns. Like if you write select eid comma ename from emp, the output will be in two different columns. But if you write concat, now it will join these two columns together. See. So now they are not displayed like this, two separate columns, they are joined now. This is concat function. Similarly, lower function next is, so if you write select lower or L case, if you write any string in small letter, it will be converted to, any string in capital letter, it will be converted to upper case. So absent was written in uppercase, it is converted to lowercase. Lower converts to lowercase, upper converts, suppose I use upper here. And if I write something in lowercase, like now it will be converted to uppercase. These functions can also be used with columns of the table. Next is substring function. So select substring extracts a part of the string from the given string. Suppose you write good morning, comma 7, comma 3. 7, comma 3 means from 7th character. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7th position R, and from R 3 characters. So R and I will be displayed. This can also be used on the table above. So you can write on ename of the table. Suppose you want to extract second, third and fourth alphabets of the name. So you write from table name emp. So these are the second position means second alphabet, third and fourth, fifth. Second, third and fourth. From second position to 3 characters. Now next, you can use it different ways. Suppose you write -3, see what you get. Nothing will be displayed. If you write only 7, So from 7th till end. 4 -1 -2 -3 -4 and 4 characters up to this. So it will display these 4 characters. Now next is trim function. So write select trim, include the spaces in between. It will remove the spaces from both the ends. If you use L trim, it will remove space only from the left hand side. And if you use R trim, it will remove space only from the right side. So this space is there, that you can see here also. Now next is instr function. So if you write select, instr finds the position of a substring in the string. So instr, you can take any string here. It returns the first occurrence of the substring. So if I write O, O occurs 3 times in the string, but it will display the position of the first occurrence, that is this one. This is the first O. But if you write O R, then it will search for this sequence, that is OR. So it will not count this OO here. It will look for OR only. So the result displayed will be 6, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 6th position OR is there. Now next is length function. Length finds the length. Length means total number of characters in the string. So it will count total number of characters. So you can also count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 characters are there. So it will return the length. Similarly, it can also be used with the column of the table. Like if you want to count length of ename from the table EMP, it will display length of names of all the employees. Now next is left function. So if you write select left, it extracts a given number of characters from the left side of the string. So suppose A, B, C, D, E, F is a string and write left comma 3. So 3 characters from the left hand side. So this is the left hand side of the string. So 1, 2 and 3. Again, it can also be used on the table. You write left ename. Suppose you want to extract first 3 characters or first 4 characters of each name, you can write like this. So these are the first 4 characters of the names. Now next is right function. So you can write select right. Right will extract characters from the right hand side of the string, that is from the end of the string. So this is the right hand side of the string. So 1, 2 and 3 characters. So DEF will be displayed. Similarly, again this command can also be used on the table. So you can use a right function. So this time you will see the last 4 characters of the names. The last function is mid function, which also works as substring. So if you write select mid, comma 3, comma any number, say 4. So from third position 4 characters. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third position and 4 characters. So this will be the output. Again, it can also be used on the table. Instead of this, you can use ename, third position 2 characters. So these are from third position 2 characters. First name was Vijay, V-I-J. J is the third one, so J-A-Y. You can see the name here. These are the names. So